Here goes nothing. That is cool, let me tell you. You guys have 24 hours. You guys have 24 hours. You guys have 24 hours.
We're not. Not needed. But we want to help support ALS. We nominate our daddy, our brother Isaiah.
Hi guys, it's Shirley here with Licensed Twin Mom, and my sister is going to assist the boys in the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge.
This is the Twin Mom. This is my life. Welcome to it.
Go ahead, Allie.
We're not needed. But we want
Oh, there they go. They're moving. But it takes cool that I keep up with 3 of them.
Alright, stay next to each other so Auntie can put the... Yeah. No, what you gotta do? You have to go over there so she can put the water on your head. Alright, here we go, guys. Look at